Hi guys, this is Katie and today we are at IKEA in Bangkok and Mega Bangna. So if we haven't met before, my name is Katie. I am an expat here in Bangkok and I like to vlog about my life here. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure you hit subscribe. But today we have headed to the Mega Bangna shopping mall. We're going to do a few little bits and bobs. We're going to check out Bath Bodyworks here. They have a Lush store here. We are looking to get a wireless charger for our new phones. And then we're going to pop into IKEA because there's a few little bits and bobs that we want to get from IKEA. Oh, and also just to let you know, for Mega Bangna, the IKEA, there's two IKEAs in Bangkok. Both of them are actually quite far outside the city. So you're going to have to kind of get a grab here if you want to come. But to be honest, we live on Sukhumvit and it takes about 20-25 minutes and costs under 200 baht. So it's not too bad, but just make sure you download the Grab app and use Grab to get here because there's not too many public transport options to get here. Anyway, let's go. So if you ever come to Mega Bangna actually have loads of restaurants to choose from. There's and there's a cinema here as well. Once cinemas are back to normal to some extent, we're going to come back and go to the cinema, maybe try one of the restaurants here, but there's lots to choose from. Guys, look at this vintage styled Disney collection that we've just randomly found in a store. Look at these clocks. Is it acceptable to get one of these for my classroom? I'm not sure, guys. So the shop is called Moshi Moshi. I don't know if that's a chain or not here, but just found it. Oh gosh, guys, look at this. Look at this one. I'm gonna shom. How much are these? Okay, so this is 169 baht, so about £4, give or take. Guys, is anyone else like this type of person that just loves a container? I will at some point do a how we've organised our apartment type video because we reorganised it this summer and I'm pretty impressed with it. But I just love these types of stores that have absolutely random containers for anything and everything. Love it. So Bath Bodyworks have their autumn collection out and this salted butterscotch one smells amazing and it is an offer, but this works out about two for £50–55. So I smell them and then I wait for them to go on sale on the website. They've got a little Halloween section, guys, and again this wicked apple is very nice. Not so sure about haunted nights, but Callum's got into a habit now of smelling them all. Nice. Oh, that's all right, pumpkin. And now for Lush. Oh my goodness, look at these. So just as a point of reference, these bath bombs kind of sit between 395 all the way up to kind of 425, 450 for a special one, which is kind of about £8 to £9, guys. So Lash is not cheap over here. Christmas. Why did you get an advent calendar? Guys, do you reckon this is the new one or do you reckon this is just like a remake of the old ones? Hi guys, so we just stopped for a quick drink. This place is called Mezzo Cafe, Mezzo Coffee. We actually haven't got coffee because we are really warm and we had a coffee this morning, so we are gonna go for, Karen's got a Thai tea and I have got a passion fruit juice. We just thought we'd have a little break in the shopping. Went into the Lego store and they have advent calendars and I'm so tempted to get one for Christmas. Tempted, I'm tempted, you shall see. Drinks are here. I have got myself a passion fruit juice and Callum has got a Thai tea, and for anyone who hasn't had a Thai tea before, this is the colour they come. They're always like orange, I don't know why, but we like it. Also, how impressive is the cinematic mode? I've been playing around with the cinematic mode on my camera and it like blurs the background. It keeps what's in front in the focus. It's great. I'm just going to try it one more time. So let me see if there's someone behind me. Okay, there's someone there. I'm going to try the cinematic mode now. So it's focus on my face. Did that work? I don't know. I'll watch the footage back and see. Okie dokie guys. So we are now in Home Pro and we're going to look at some lights because we kind of want one for the side of the beds. Not sure what to do. So this is Swenson's. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is an ice cream place and at the moment they have durian specials on. How cool does this look, guys? If you haven't tried durian before, I mean, it's an acquired taste. That's all I'm going to say about it. It's an acquired taste. Not for me. Callum quite likes it. Definitely not for me. Going on to something that is a little bit more my style, the Chocolate Factory. Oh, there you go, guys. Ooh. Look, brownie cracker. And then something in Asia that you will find is that every chocolate factory, every chocolate place will have a lot of fruit stuff. But look at this! Oh my goodness! And the strawberry. Look at that strawberry mousse cake. Oh wow! Just wow, guys! So clever. Maybe I'll come back here later and get some for my birthday. Oh, I might have to. There's some lobster in the sushi den. We're just having a little look at some of the restaurants up here. So guys, this is the Mega Cineplex. We really want to come and see James Bond. At the moment, you are not allowed to eat or drink in the cinema and you have to keep your mask on the whole time. We're going to wait. Oh, to be fair though, they're definitely selling stuff. So I'm not entirely sure how true that is. But yeah, we're tempted to come and see James Bond at some point. But look at this mammoth cinema. So something that's also pretty common in some malls, and Mega Bangna is one of them, is that there's like a little ice skating rink. As you do a bit of shopping, a bit of ice skating. And then there's some bowling as well. I'll be skipping that for today, I think. So something I really like about the IKEA here in Bangkok is they do these like room layouts based on like average square footage of houses, like of like apartments here. So you can kind of walk through and see how, because obviously like places in Bangkok are pretty small if you're living in the city centre. So yeah, it's interesting to see how they lay all these things out to kind of make use of the space, so it feels like you're actually walking through like an actual little apartment. This is Karen's like dream home with smart stuff everywhere. We've got our nano lights at home already. I think he's working on, and our Hoover. He's working on getting everything to be smart for us. guys, so we are now in the IKEA Cafe. So it is about 3-ish. So we've been shopping for 3 hours-ish, 4 hours now. So we figured, we went around the showroom and looked at a few bits and bobs. We stopped for a quick bite to eat because we haven't had lunch yet. So we just thought we'd get a few little snack things and a drink, and then we're gonna head down to the like the marketplace, pick up the things we want to get, and then head home. So enjoying IKEA. I will say the actual IKEA itself is pretty much kind of back to normal. Like, obviously you have to wear a mask as you do everywhere in Thailand, but you can like, we were sitting on the office chairs to see how they felt and stuff like that, and it was absolutely fine to do. The cafe is pretty much back to normal. They weren't doing refillable soft drinks, but they were doing the refillable hot drinks, so I'm not sure why that is. But yeah, I mean, there was only like one side of the cafe open, but I think that's just because it's a Monday. But yeah, so things seem to be kind of back to normal in IKEA at least, and the shopping mall is pretty busy as well. So I think things are kind of getting back to normal slowly here. Like I said, in Thailand everyone wears a mask, especially like if you're inside and stuff. That's just the rule here, because not everyone's vaccinated here. The vaccinations haven't been rolled out to everyone yet. So yeah, it's not too bad. Feeling quite happy. Gonna tuck in, I'll show you what I've got. So like I said, we didn't want to like go over the top, so they have this dime cake which is amazing. They have this in the UK, like dime chocolate bars are a thing in the UK, and they have them as like whole cakes here as well in like the food part, but we decided to get a little slice of this to share. And then food wise, this is actually meant to be garlic bread. I'm not sure, but we're going to try some of that. And then we just got some spring rolls and some mozzarella sticks, and then a little Pepsi each to keep us going before we go home in a little bit. Hi guys, we are back, and that was a long day shopping. We are going to relax for a bit, have a bit of dinner later on, and just unwind. We managed to get from a shop, I think I showed it to you, but we bought these two pop socket things. I also bought like a Halloween thing because I'm hoping I'll be able to wear it when it's Halloween. I think I'll be back at school by then with the kids, so I figured that'd be quite nice to wear. And then from IKEA, we bought 2 candles, 1 vanilla, 1 apple. We bought these 2 white boards that Callum's gonna have for the office, that he's going to use for his notes and stuff like that. Then we also picked up 2 espresso cups. We have started getting into having like espresso coffees, and so we thought that would be a good idea to pick those up. And yeah, that was our shopping. So a long trip out for not too much. There's quite a lot of stuff in this IKEA that they didn't have. So the boards that we picked up for Callum's office, it normally comes with loads of different like accessories that you can put like pens in and stuff like that. A lot of the stuff was out of stock, annoyingly. So we're gonna have to try and order that stuff off the other IKEA website from the other IKEA like in Bangkok. So we shall see. But anyway, I'm gonna relax, and if you like this video, please make sure you give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Take care guys, stay safe, and I shall see you very soon. Bye.